How's she doing? Does she have any issues? Hi. This way. Anything going on? Really? Just a checkup. How was your birth?
Easy.
Good.
Very easy.
Can I see your legs or a stretch them out? Ooh. She crawling?
She's trying.
Trying to. Is her suck pretty good? Like she's strong suck on the bow?
Yeah. You seem to enjoy this, kiddo.
Getting the deluxe treatment, yeah. Yeah, does that feel good?
You won't confuse this. I'm just going to check on your suck. Can you open up for me? And check on the roof. I know it's not a bottle. You know it's not a bottle. I know. Good. Okay, you want to come back here? You come back, check your jaw. Good. I know you don't know what's going on while I'm sticking my fingers in your mouth. Oh, it feels good, huh?
Oh, that's what it was. That smelled great.